RetrEATs is an exciting new development for MMR and our clients, bringing consumers, clients and our sensory branding expertise together to really understand what is the best way to springboard innovation, tackling brand, product and pack with consumers to really understand the proposition in a single piece of research.
My name is Karen Poole and I specialise in innovation and MPD. We've all been in a situation in our careers where the idea has been perfect, but the execution of that idea hasn't been right. So we're very mindful of the fact that we've got one opportunity to do this beautifully.
And we appreciate that challenge at MMR. We really consider clients have it very, very tough in innovation these days. A RetrEAT in itself is an immersive workshop. You can really hear firsthand consumers' reactions, they can hear the language they use, they can see them interact with their product. Bringing that together with expertise from MMR can translate that into something that a client can really use.
Consumers are faced with hundreds of thousands of products every time they walk into the supermarket. So actually motivating them to pick up what you've created, having the right messages is absolutely critical.
It is all about being immersed in a category, in a product, in a brand, and seeing it from a consumer standpoint.
I would say a RetrEAT is very, very fast-paced, very agile process. It can be very flexible if it needs to be. I would say it's very thorough. I felt we left no stone unturned in what we were exploring. And the lovely thing was just to have the luxury of time to explore things to the absolute end of what you needed to know. You come out of it with the blueprint for success.